gold and silver are rising. And no, this is not just about a jewelry demand or a festival season. This move is a warning signal, the kind markets usually notice only after it is too late. Now, let's break it down calmly. So, whenever the gold and silver start outperforming the equities quietly, it tells you one thing: money is getting defensive. Not scared, not panicked, but cautious. And that distinction matters. Right now, global equity markets are near highs. Sentiment is optimistic, and most retail investors believe risk is under control. But gold and silver disagree. Precious metals don't move on hype, they move on uncertainty. They rise when investors start questioning the growth, liquidity, and stability, even if the headlines remain positive. So, what is driving this move? First, the interest rate expectation. Even the hint of future rate cuts changes the equation. So, when the real yields peak or start falling, gold becomes attractive again, not as a trade, but as a protection. Second, global risk. Geopolitical tension, Fed's equity valuations, and slowing growth signals don't cause immediate crashes. They cause hedging. And gold is the oldest hedge there is. Now, here is the part most people miss. Gold and silver usually move before equity stress becomes visible. They don't wait for bad news, they respond to probability. Now, that is why this matters for Indian investing. So when the gold rises alongside a cautious global environment, it often signals equity volatility ahead, sector rotation, or time-based corrections instead of sharp crashes. Now, this does not mean markets are about to collapse. It means risk is being repriced quietly. And markets punish the investors who ignore quiet signals more than the loud ones. So, what should you do with this information? Firstly, you should not panic. Secondly, you should not chase risky assets blindly just because the indices are high. And third, you should understand that defensive positioning is not bearish, it is intelligent. Smart money prepares early, retail money reacts late. So, gold and silver are not predicting a doom. They are asking a question the market has not answered yet. And investors who listen early usually survive the volatility better than those who wait for confirmation. If you want calm, logic driven explanations of market, Indian and global, without hype or fear, subscribe to this channel. Because in investing, signals whisper before the headlines scream. Thank you.